Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about Betfair's current promotion, which is for a £30 free bet. It's a really good promotion. It's currently one of the strongest ones that we've got available on freebetstats.com at the moment. If I look at the numbers here that I've got on my screen, on the right I've got the actual terms and conditions taken from Betfair, and on the left there are the numbers on the top and then the key terms and conditions that I've pulled out. The expected profit on this one is £13, which equates to a return on investment of 130%. The crux of the free bet is we make a £10 bet, and regardless of whether we win or lose, we get awarded a £30 free bet. So you can see that I've put the min and max first bet at both £10. There's a promo code which we have to use, shown here, ZSK200. The first bet, the bet of £10, has to be placed at minimum odds of 1 to 2. We then get a £30 free bet. The free bet, once awarded, is valid for 30 days. When we bet with that free bet, again we have to bet with lines with minimum odds of 1 to 2. As with all free bets, the free bet token value won't be included in any returns from winning free bets. And finally, people who want to use Nutella or Skrill or Money Bookers would not be eligible for the free bet, so you need to sign up using a card. The first step is to clear our cookies. This is required to ensure that when we click on the promo link we get directed to the correct promotion. To do that in Internet Explorer, I'll go to Settings and then Internet Options, Delete. Make sure that cookies and website data is checked, and then press delete and OK. In Firefox, I'll go to Settings, History, Clear Recent History, select everything from the drop down and just ensure that cookies is checked, and then Clear Now. In Chrome, I'll go to Settings, History, Clear Browsing Data. Ensure that the beginning of time is checked and cookies and other site and plugin data is checked, then clear browsing data. Once we've cleared our cookies, the next step is to sign up, make a deposit, and then bet at the bookmakers. To do this, I'm going to navigate to freebetstats.com and click on Betfair, and then claim your free bet now. This will open the Betfair, the special free bet link in a new tab, and here I'll click on Join Now. So this loads an application form which needs to be filled out. You can see mine's pre-filled itself out with the correct promo code ZSK200, but if that doesn't happen, make sure that you put that in that promo code box, and then once completed, click Agree and Open Account. Once you've finished filling that out, you should get a deposit screen loaded up, and if it doesn't, alternatively you can just log in and click on deposit in the top right hand side of the screen, and then go ahead and make your £10 bet in Betfair. In the final part of this video, I'm going to talk through the numbers and show how we get to an expected profit of £13 or 130% ROI. So you can see here I've got 4 columns that represent 4 scenarios. They're called win, 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 lose, lose, win, and lose, lose. And these are representing my initial £10 bet and then my free £30 bet. So for example, here I win my first £10 bet and I win my £30 free bet. So if I run through this column here, the chance of this scenario happening is 25%. I bet my initial £10. I expect the bookie to make 10% margin on any winning bet, so my profit is £9. I get awarded my £30 free bet. Again, the bookies make a 10% margin, so my profit is £27 when I win. My total profit is £36, that's 27 plus 9. My weighted profit is £9, that's my £36 profit times by the chance of this scenario happening, which is 25%. So I get a total profit here by adding all of these weighted profits up, and my expected return on investment is my expected profit divided by my initial outlay of £10. Hopefully that one makes sense. In order to reduce risk on this, I would suggest that players they basically split their free bet into a number of bets. So instead of doing one £30 bet, do perhaps 3 £10 bets. It would significantly lower the risk on this one and make it quite difficult to not make a profit. So that's it for this video. If anyone's got any questions, then please feel free to go to Free Bet Stats and send me an email, get me on the live chat. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.